Okay, this is the first rendition of the Jack in a Box number 5 pistol edition from Airsplat, which I had purchased. This is going to be my first one, so we'll see how well it goes. So this was purchased on May 10th, shipped via USPS ground on May 12th, and I received in Hawaii on May 15th, Tuesday. So the cost of the box is $95, as you can see right here, and for the shipping and handling via UPS ground to Hawaii costs about $45.75. That's usually one of the reasons why I don't usually purchase from Airsplat, because of the cost. But I just wanted to see how well this round will go, and I'm as some of you guys know, I like to collect pistols, so that is one of the reasons why I decided to participate in this round of Airsplat's Jackpot in a box, since it's the pistol edition. As you can see, they're actually still in stock. So as you can see, this is the Jackpot in the box number 5, which is the pistol edition. This is the one where you had to watch the video and count how many wows you saw and how many this gentleman said, and total them up and post to enter into to receive a free Jack in the Box. So here are the main prizes over here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So, and then the odds, there was a total of 105 boxes in which you could win. These are the main prizes, and these are also the main item, AEG's gas retail. As you can see, this is the bonus which you are guaranteed to receive in one of the 105 boxes. So this will be added to whatever you win on the top, and then in every box you get a free swag, which is listed over here. Because I live in Hawaii, I guess they don't ship to CO2 or green gas. As you can see here, I received this separately via USPS priority mail in a separate box. So of course it arrived open, but you know, I think it was during transportation, because they put in a pretty large box, bigger than what this would fit in, so it probably rolled around and opened up. Okay, and then last but not least, if you take a look on the box, they actually have a little spiel and thanking for, you know, purchasing from Airsplat. And if we do a YouTube unboxing, and we can email the link to Carrie at airsplat.com, we can enter into getting a drawing for another jackpot box. Okay, so let's open this baby up and see what I got. Material, and then of course the packing slip. I guess this holds the BBs, like, or oh no, it holds the Airsplat patch and the airsplat.com patch, which I have one of this already from a purchase I made a long time ago. And this patch, I'll probably take it to Lion's Claw. Excellent. Also, the silicone, the tag airsoft.com silicone, 100% pure silicone oil used for airsoft. It's 2 ounces. That's part of the what comes in every box, which is green gas, 6mm bio .20 BBs, the promo, and then red clear drink bottle, 700 milliliters, Airsplat Velcro team patch, which is flag or splat, but in this case I got both, and the silicone. So some more packing. Okay, and then here's the bottle, Airsplat bottle. You can probably see the box, but I'm not. That's going to be the last thing. So here are the biodegradable BBs. I got 2 packs of those. Then, as one of the surprise items that can be added, which is either a mag or goggles or propane adapter or more BBs. In this case, I got a magazine, CO2. Looks like this one is Kimor, made in Taiwan, and it's for the HG series 190. Unfortunately, I don't have that pistol, so unless it's one of the ones that I got in the box. So it's a CO2 version, as you can see. And last but not least is the Kimor Airsoft HG 199 metal, gas powered, blowback type, size. You can see the size. Mag capacity is 26. This is the weight. This is the approximate FPS it fires. Semi and full auto. So I believe this is a $80 or $90 airsoft pistol. So let me go jump down to where they have on the computer what could win. So HG 199. Looks like a M92 pistol. HGA, made in Taiwan. So let me open it up here. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. Let me open it up. Okay. So yeah, it's the M190 Special Force Cal. So you can see it's semi, full auto, and then, well, hopefully it is. Oh, there we go. So you get semi, full auto, and safety. So you could, if I was open the mag, it's the standard mag, which you would put green gas in. Again, it comes in a hard case, comes with sample BBs, and underneath is the manual, and of course the safety information. And there's nothing in the top area. So Again, looks like I got the HFC M92 Vertec Full Auto Metal Gas Blowback pistol, which retails for about $99.99. So again, to recap, I paid for the Jack in the Box, which is $95, and I got shipping cost me $45.75. So total I paid $140.75, in which I got about $100 pistol, 2 bags of, so I got a $100 pistol, 2 bags of these, the Airsplat patches, the Airsplat bottle, the 2-ounce 100% pure silicone, a sample BB that comes with the pistol itself, and lastly the extra mag CO2 version for this pistol. Okay, thanks for watching.